Hi everyone, Ashish Kyal here. Welcome to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. It's fantastic to have you all here. And I just want to check if you are able to hear me and listen me out very, very clearly. And it's amazing the way the markets have been moving post elections. You can clearly see that it has been a roller coaster ride post exit poll, downside sharp move after the election results, again recovered back, entire move on the upside and touch the lifetime high levels. अगर दोस्तों आपको ध्यान में होगा, मैंने बात की थी जब इलेक्शन का रिजल्ट पोल के बाद में, जब इलेक्शन रिजल्ट्स आए मार्केट क्रैश हुआ, नीचे गया. मैंने बात की थी निफ्टी विल अगेन शो यू लाइफ टाइम हाई लेवल्स and I am asking how many of you were there for that specific. I have tweeted across, I have talked about it in the video. I mentioned that Nifty will touch the lifetime high levels, and look at the way the markets move all over the place and then finally touching the lifetime high levels. I also mentioned before the market, before the exit poll, a level of 23,290. एंड एग्जिट पोल के बाद में अगर आप दोस्तों देखोगे तो मार्केट जो निफ्टी का क्लोज था वो 23,263 पे था. उस दिन हाई टच किया था 23,330 एंड क्लोज्ड एट 23,290 के नीचे. उसके बाद से वी कैन क्लियरली सी पोस्ट द इलेक्शन there was a very sharp move on the downside, and we were expecting this fall to be in the form of wave F if you are following the wave theory, and from there we were expecting markets to bounce back sharply on the upside, touch lifetime high levels. Expectation थी कि शायद range bound consolidation होगा या up move जाएगा, and we can clearly see lifetime high level has been touched and Nifty remains buy on dips market right now. As long as the supports are intact. तो ये जो forecasting है, how do this forecasting happens? See, for forecasting you require two most important tools. लोग कहते हैं मार्केट को forecast करना possible नहीं है. I am saying that it is very much possible to forecast the market. अब forecast का मतलब होता है कि आगे क्या होने वाला है, नेक्स्ट एक दिन में, 10 दिन में, एक महीने में क्या होगा, ये forecast करना possible है. And this forecasting ability, you need to understand the concept of Elliott wave, you need to understand the concept of neo wave, and you need to understand it along with the concept of time. And ये forecasting tools है which I have been using for more than a decade, and it has been a fantastic tool that I have been applying, and it has been working out extremely well. So ये टूल्स के साथ में अगर आप कंबाइन करके प्ले करोगे, वी रिसेंटली ऑल्सो हैड सूत्र ऑफ वेव सेशन वेर वी फोरकास्टेड द मार्केट, looked at the possible wave counts and looked at the concepts of two stage confirmation and all of those things. और हमने फोरकास्ट भी किया कि निफ्टी विल बी लाइक लाइफ टाइम हाई लेवल्स, एंड इट हैज हैपेंड. सो द पॉइंट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक इज कि जो लोग कहते हैं मार्केट को फोरकास्ट नहीं कर सकते, नो नहीं दोस्तों, it is very much possible for you all to forecast the market. मार्केट फ्यूचर देखना पॉसिबल है, और ये प्रोबेबिलिस्टिक सिनेरियो. देखिए 100% शॉर्ट कुछ नहीं होता, आपको ये चीज समझनी होगी. अगर कोई आपको कहता है कि 100% ऐसा ही मार्केट होगा, तो वैसा नहीं है. देयर इज नथिंग विच इज नोन एज 100% शॉर्ट थिंग. You need to play with the game of probability. And trading and investment always requires understanding of three most important sutras, which I can talk about. Sutra means a sacred thread. That is what I am talking about. So इसलिए हमारा sutra of waves कहते हैं हम, sacred thread. Now तीन सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी क्या है? रिस्क मैनेजमेंट एंड मनी मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रैटेजी की 30%. So if you want to be successful in trading, making money out of trading options or making money out of trading markets, and you have to be successful. So to be successful, you need to first understand that you need to have a strategy. This strategy it involves risk and money management strategy. क्योंकि इसमें पता रहेगा कि यार कितना लॉस होगा, कैसे होगा. So 30% of your trading is risk and money management. The next 30% of your trading is revolving around having a method. Method can be technical analysis, Elliott wave, time, neo wave. It can be any of the methods that you practice. That is the other 30%. The other 30% of the entire 35% of what you are actually doing is to understand that process. सो लोग कहते हैं कि नहीं मुझे तो पता है क्या करना है, मार्केट देखा ऊपर गया बाई किया, नीचे गया सेल किया। अभी उल्टा हो जाता है, जब ऊपर जा रहा है एग्जिट पोल के बाद में बाई हो गया, जब फास्ट शार्प फॉल आया नीचे गिर गया तभी सेल हो गया। तो करना उल्टा था, बाय लो एंड सेल हाई करना था, लेकिन हो क्या गया, बाय हाई एंड सेल लो हो गया। सो दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज यू डू नॉट हैव अ मेथड, you do not have a process. So it is very very important that you have a strategy, a process, a method which you can keep repeating. So I keep telling my mentees also, or Brahmis, we call this mentorship program as Brahmastra program. As I keep telling them that you need to have a process or a method that you can keep repeating 100 times, which means आप वो मेथड को फॉलो करते रहो, और उसमें से एक मंत्र आपको लेना है कि जब पैसा कमा रहे तो ज्यादा कमाना है, when you are losing money you have to lose less. That is extremely important. होता क्या है, हम exactly उसका उल्टा करते हैं। हम करते क्या, because our mind is conditioned. When we make money, we make little money, but when we keep losing, we lose a lot of money. That's the problem with majority of the people. When they lose, they keep losing a lot of money many times. और इसीलिए नेट एंड ऑफ द मंथ और एंड ऑफ द ईयर नेगेटिव पीएनएल होता है। लेकिन इफ यू इंश्योर दैट व्हेन यू आर लूजिंग यू लूज लेस, व्हेन यू आर लूजिंग अगेन यू लूज मोर, you lose lesser, then it will be very crucial, because then you will be able to make money. अगर आपने 3-4 बार छोटे छोटे लॉस किए लेकिन एक बार बड़ा प्रॉफिट किया तो पैसा बनेगा। सो ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप है जो बहुत कम जन जानते हैं या समझते। दिस इज वेरी 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 क्रूशियल। सो जब मैं बात कर रहा था कि ट्रेडिंग इन्वॉल्व्स रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, मनी मैनेजमेंट, द अदर 30% इज योर मेथड, टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, योर सेटअप, द अदर 30-35% इज ट्रेडिंग साइकोलॉजी. You have to be disciplined if you want to trade well. It is very crucial that you trade with a disciplined approach. अगर आप डिसिप्लिन्ड नहीं रहोगे दोस्तों, अगर आप डिसिप्लिन वे से ट्रेड नहीं करोगे तो पैसा नहीं बनेगा, क्योंकि मेथड है, प्रोसेस है। स्टॉप लॉस लगाना पता है, लेकिन मैं डिसिप्लिन्ड अगर नहीं हूं तो मैं स्टॉप लॉस नहीं लगाऊंगा। आई कीप टेलिंग दैट योर स्टॉप लॉस हैज टू बी इन द सिस्टम। आपको स्टॉप सिस्टम में डाल के रखना है, क्योंकि जब मूवमेंट फास्ट आता है ना तभी मौका नहीं मिलता है मार्केट में से एग्जिट करने का। आप सोचते रहोगे उतने टाइम में तो लगेगा यार और 100 पॉइंट गिर गया, फिर सोच रहे हो लग रहा है अरे यार ये तो और 100 पॉइंट गिर गया, अभी वेट करते पुल बैक की, और वो पुल बैक आते आते निफ्टी ऑलरेडी 1000 पॉइंट 2000 पॉइंट नीचे था इलेक्शन वाले दिन पे, और उसके बाद आप सभी को पता है कैसे रिवर्स होके ऊपर लाइफ टाइम हाई भी टच किया। सो पॉइंट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक इज you have to be disciplined with your process that you have learned. You need to implement that and you need to execute on that basis. So when trading, and I keep telling my mentees and Brahmastra participants same thing. जो हमारा ब्रह्मास्त्र प्रोग्राम है दोस्तों, it's a 3 months program that consists of tradership, that consists of options mantra, sutra of waves and kal chakra. Tradership is we meet every week, 3 times in a month, and we discuss about the methods that I am using. We do a live trading session and we look at the entire strategy and we see how it is functioning. So ये हम implement करते हैं, trade करते हैं, live trade करते हैं. We create algos for stock selection in tradership. We create momentum multi-bagger stock कैसे select करना है वो methods. अभी जैसे मेरा खिलाड़ी नंबर 1 शो चल रहा है तो हमारा कल लाइव ट्रेडिंग सेशन है। हाउ डू आई चूज दो स्टॉक्स, हाउ डू आई गो अबाउट सिलेक्टिंग द स्टॉक्स एंड किस तरीके से उस पे से ट्रेड निकालना है, वो सारी चीजें हम डिस्कस करेंगे। सो दैट इज व्हाट ट्रेडरशिप विल कंटेन. So Brahmastra, as I said, will contain about tradership and the other programs. So tradership will be the sessions that we will have for 3 months of time, apart from options mantra. Now, options mantra, I'm sure many of you are trading options here, and you might be worried about what is happening if you are buying an option and prices गिरते जा रहा है। हो रहा है किसी के साथ अभी के सिनेरियो में that आपने ऑप्शन बाय किया, सही गया, इंडेक्स आपके फेवर में भी गया, लेकिन पैसा नहीं बन पा रहा, बिकॉज द विक्स इज फॉलिंग आफ्टर दी। बहुत सारे जन कमेंट करे कि उनके साथ ऐसा ही एग्जैक्टली हुआ। So options are an amazing way of trading. Options instrument are simply superb, and you have to understand how to trade options. So in the current market scenario, current context, आप देख पा रहे हैं कि विक्स कैसे गिरते जा रहा है. And because the wicks have been falling, you can see that the options value are deteriorating, and you need to know about momentum. So momentum के लिए you need to use certain indicators जो हम options मंत्र में करते हैं, which is known as KST indicator. We look at volume profile, what is happening with volume area. We look at price action, Keltner channel breakout कि कहां पर ब्रेकआउट आता हुआ नजर आ रहा है वो देखते हैं. साथ ही में हम क्लब करते हैं इसके ओपन इंटरेस्ट प्रोफाइल, बिग प्लेयर्स एक्टिविटी. सो इफ यू आर समवन हु वांट्स टू जनरेट दैट पैसिव सोर्स ऑफ इनकम बाय ट्रेडिंग इन ऑप्शंस, maybe option selling, option buying, you can do that. But you need to have the right set of tools. आपके पास में वो tools, वो methods होने चाहिए. You need to have those tools and techniques. Then you can do that. So that part of options mantra is a part of Brahmastra. So Brahmastra मैंने कहा tradership हो गया, where we meet for 3 months online. It's all online. Then we have options mantra. Then post options mantra, we have a live trading session where we practice what we have learned. Then we have sutra of waves. We call it sutra of waves. So matlab beej bona, right? Options mantra Om. That's the name that we have given it. And then we have sutra of waves live session where you will be learning about this entire concept of wave theory of Elliott wave, Neo wave. Then we'll be practicing it कि live market में कैसे देखना है, कैसे करना है. Then we also look at the detailed way of risk and money management. We create algos for stock selection. And then comes the part of Kal Chakra, which we call as master of cycles. Kal Chakra. Kal is time and Chakra is cycle. And it's keep repeating. And if you can time the market, if you know, for example, I even tweeted across, we are in the current phase of a positive time cycle zone. If we are in a positive time cycle zone, which means overall medium term horizon से भाई मुझे buy on dips करना. Short term के लिहाज से intraday में maybe I can sell the market, but overall market remains buy on dips because we are in a positive 55 days type cycle zone. If we are able to time the market on a 15 minutes time zone, 15 minute cycle, 15 minutes time frame पे अगर मैं time करता हूं दोस्तों market को, तो 15 minutes के ऊपर I can identify the areas of reversal and I can trade. You can even trade even on a 5 minutes time cycle. So this aspect of time cycle will, along with, Gann square of 9 is a part of Kal Chakra. And Kal Chakra is master of cycles, which is a part of Brahmastra program. And ये सारी चीजें क्लब होती है साथ में. So what is Brahmastra? Brahmastra involves tradership, options mantra, sutra of waves plus Kal Chakra. तो ये सब क्लब होता है साथ में. We form a private Telegram group where the discussion happens. There are people who join across from India, from someone is from US, someone joins from Singapore. So सारे लोग जुड़ते हैं, सीखते हैं साथ में और साथ में grow होते हैं. There will be mistakes, there will be challenges that everyone faces, and I'll be more than happy to assist you, help you. I can be the torch bearer on how to go about trading. What is that you are doing wrong and how to rectify it. कभी कभी होता है ना यार, लगता है कि सही कर रहे हैं, सब कुछ सही है, खाली एक चीज अगर ट्विक कर दी तो लाइफ यार सेट हो जाती, मतलब बात ही कुछ और होती. देयर आर सो मेनी ऑफ यू हु माइट बी हैविंग दैट फीलिंग, यार सही था, डायरेक्शन सही था, ट्रेड सही था, बस यार थोड़ा सा टाइम ऑफ हो गया या थोड़ा जल्दी कर लिया. ऐसा हुआ है आप लोगों के साथ में? सो पॉइंट इज, अ मेंटर इज समवन हु कैन रिड्यूस योर लर्निंग that takes years as a trader and reduce it to a very short time frame. Sonal Desai is here. She's saying, sir, your tweet helps a lot. I keep sharing across. What are the key levels? How do I derive those key levels? How do I see those levels and how do I come across it? ये कैसे करता हूं मैं? I do that by looking at the entire concept of neo wave, applying along with time cycle. ये दो चीजें is my building foundation जिसके थ्रू सारी चीजें की. Now let me quickly talk about myself. There are many of you who might be here for the first time. I'm a chartered market technician. Cleared all 3 levels of CMT in 1 year. 2008 से 2009 में तीनों लेवल मैंने एक साल में क्लियर किया. I have worked with Lehman Brothers, वो टाइम पे जिसे bankruptcy डिक्लेयर किया था. Lost my job. Worked with Nomura for some time and then started on my own. I said यार बस हो गया, अभी जॉब की कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं है and you have to do it on your own. So I started as a full-time trader way back in 2011. I've been trading since 2004. I've seen the penny stock crash. I've seen the financial crisis of 2008. And I've been trading from Lehman days. I've been publishing research, writing research reports. And you can see me on various business channels. This week also, I'm there on Khiladi #1 show. Last 2 बार मैंने जीता था. Total number of times that I've won on Khiladi #1 is around 27 times already. And this is the 28th time if I win the Khiladi #1 show. So I have authored a book published worldwide, Effective Trading in Financial Markets. That's the book which I have written and it is published worldwide in 2020. And यहाँ पर अगर हम देखेंगे तो ये बुक पब्लिश की हमने वर्ल्ड वाइड 2020 में. एंड साथ ही में you can see me on CNBC TV 18. I speak at IIMs, I speak at NISM, I speak at NIBM, National Stock Exchange, a lot of places. I keep speaking at a lot of places also because I'm a passionate trader, guys, and I share across what I do, what I know, and how it works. I can, you have seen my videos on crypto, you have seen my videos on Nifty, stocks, and you can see me on TV channels. So point I'm trying to make is, if it works for me, this strategy, जो methods मैं खुद यूज करता हूं वो मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूं. Now, when I say Brahmastra, Brahmastra means अस्त्रों का अस्त्र ब्रह्मास्त्र कहते हैं हम, right? So I'll be giving you various astra, which is going to work like magic in these kind of markets. But you need to know which one to use when. When the market is trending, Bollinger Bands might not help you. In a trending market, Ichimoku cloud is a method that will work exceptionally well. In a sideways market, in the sideways market, you will see Bollinger Bands, Keltner channel breakout with KST works super. Okay. In a high volatile market, जब आप देख रहे हैं कि volatility drop हो रही है, option selling will work better. When the volatility is down and market is stabilized, option buying will again start working well. लेकिन होता क्या है, हम हमारे मेथड को कब कौन से मेथड को अप्लाई करना है वो भूल जाते हैं. एंड दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम दैट यू आर एबल टू नॉट मेक मनी आउट ऑफ द मार्केट. सो इन दिस ब्रह्मास्त्र प्रोग्राम वी हैंड होल्ड मेंटीज, जिसे हम कहते हैं ब्रह्मीज. हम देखते हैं कि व्हाट इज द चैलेंज, हाउ कैन वी क्रिएट अ सिस्टम फॉर a proper trading system for stock selection, which can the stocks that are giving good volumes, good breakouts, reversal, वो स्टॉक्स को सिलेक्ट करते हैं एंड कैसे उस पर ट्रेड करना है, कैसे इंडेक्स के ऊपर ऑप्शंस में ट्रेड करना है. ये सारी चीजें ब्रह्मास्त्र में हम डिटेल्ड वे से करते हैं. दिस प्रोग्राम इज फॉर 3 months, लेकिन पोस्ट 3 months ऑफ ब्रह्मास्त्र ऑल्सो देयर आर एक्सक्लूसिव वेबिनार्स in which the Brahmastra participants or mentorship participants are invited, and this invitation is sent across exclusively to all the Brahmastra participants so they can join those exclusive webinars, clarify their doubts, clarify their queries, and that private telegram group is there for lifetime access, जिसमें मैं part हूं. And I ensure that even if you are a 5-year-old mentee, I ensure to respond to you so that, क्योंकि जरूरी नहीं है आपके दिमाग में कोई क्वेश्चन आ जाए, आपके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन 1 साल बाद आया, 6 महीने बाद आया, तो हाउ टू गेट आंसर्स टू दैट. दैट्स व्हाई वी क्रिएट दोस प्राइवेट टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. एंड इट्स नॉट ओनली मी, देयर विल बी सीनियर मेंटी, देयर विल बी अदर गुरुकुल पार्टिसिपेंट्स. हम इसे ट्रेडिंग गुरुकुल इसीलिए कहते हैं कि गुरुकुल की प्रथा है, हम अकेले नहीं, साथ में सभी लोगों के साथ में हम ट्रेड करते हैं, सभी लोगों से मिलके हम देखते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है, एंड इसीलिए इसे हम गुरुकुल का नाम देते, साथ में ग्रो होते हैं. सी ट्रेडर शुड फाइट देयर बैटल अलोन, बट लर्निंग कैन बी कोलैबोरेटिव. दोनों में बहुत बड़ा फर्क है. जब आप ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, मैं लास्ट मेंटरशिप सेशन में यही कह रहा था, जब आप ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, इट इज यू अगेंस्ट द मार्केट, इट इज योर माइंड अगेंस्ट द मार्केट. and you have to trade with utmost discipline. Now when you are trading learning collaborate, आप सबके साथ सीख सकते हैं कि कौन क्या मेथड यूज कर रहा है, कौन कौन से मेथड पे स्ट्रॉन्ग है. There are so many mentees who are using only pure time cycle and trading basis of that. Narendra Mulani uses time cycle very very prudently. उन्होंने कल ही मेरे साथ में शेयर किया था, and he mentioned about how the 15 minutes time cycle is working so super. उन्होंने शेयर किया. Now some of the mentees are trading in stocks. Sudarshan, he shared across how he made money. 50% of his capital he made in the last week of the elections, and where majority of the traders were losing money, he was making money. So these people are able to do that, and they are able to change their habit. The reason we keep it for 3 months is why, because 3 महीने कोई भी चीज को हैबिचुअल होने के लिए लगता है. कोई माइंडसेट होता है कि यार मैं स्टॉप लॉस नहीं लगाता हूं. तो धीरे 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 अगर हम उसे प्रैक्टिस करें तो आप धीरे वो चीज को सीख जाते हो. You are able to learn that method, and you are able to apply that method over the period of 3 months of time. And it is not necessary. No one is born trader. I believe thoroughly traders can be made. Traders are not born. They can be made if they are disciplined enough to follow the strategy, follow the rules, follow the methods, and ensure to follow one mantra कि यार लॉस होगा तो छोटा करना है, पैसा बनेगा तो बड़ा बनाना है. So ये मंत्र फॉलो करना है. If you are someone who is looking forward to become a full-time trader, or someone who wants to trade for thrill, as a part-time, यार as a passive source of income. हम कहते हैं ना यार, जॉब तो कर ही रहे, उसके साथ में एडिशनल सोर्स ऑफ इनकम आ सकती है. क्या आ सकती है? If you are okay to take that risk, it is possible. I can give you the astras, the methods, the strategy, but you have to follow those methods. Not all of them. अगर आप उसमें से एक भी मेथड पिकअप करके फॉलो करेंगे ना दोस्तों, इट वर्क्स. द रीजन आई कैन बी सो कॉन्फिडेंट एंड पैशनेट अबाउट इट इज because I have been doing it, I've been practicing it, and I have shown you by winning nearly 26, 27 times on CNBC Khiladi #1. That is a proof that shows it works. नहीं तो यार नेशनल चैनल पे इतने बार आना और जीतना इतना इजी नहीं है. So it is very much possible, and you can definitely do that. Now the mentorship program that I am talking about, the Brahmastra program that I am talking about so far, is going to start from July onwards. उसके पहले हमारा काल चक्र भी होने वाला है, which you will be a part of. So you will be a part of Kal Chakra live session, and then we will be kickstarting with the Brahmastra program in July end. और काल चक्र सेशन हमारा होगा 13-14 जुलाई. Plus you will be getting access to the entire concept of Trishul. Trishul is what? Trishul consists of options mantra, Elliott wave and Neo wave. ये प्रोग्राम के वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग्स आपको अभी मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है. प्लस यू विल बी गेटिंग लाइव एक्सेस टू दिस प्रोग्राम्स अगेन. सो आप 2 बार इसे सीखोगे. अब एक बार अभी जब तक ब्रह्मास्त्र शुरू होता है, और दूसरे बार वापस से ब्रह्मास्त्र जब शुरू होगा तो यू विल गेट लाइव एक्सेस टू ऑप्शंस मंत्र एंड सूत्र ऑफ वेव्स. सो 2 बार सीखेंगे. प्लस यू विल बी गेटिंग, अगर आप आज रजिस्टर करते हो फॉर दिस ब्रह्मास्त्र प्रोग्राम, you get access to Master of Technical Analysis 12 hours of video plus 20 bonus videos आपको आज के लिए मिलेगा. 20 bonus videos is with you for lifetime access. So the point I am trying to make is, if you are a part of Brahmastra today, you get access to Trishul program, options mantra, sutra of waves, Master of Technical Analysis plus 20 bonus videos for lifetime. ये सारी चीजें आपकी आज से ही मिल जाएगी, and your learning starts from today itself. You don't have to wait to learn later on. आपकी जो learning है वो आज से शुरू होगी दोस्तों. और साथ ही में हमारा जब ट्रेडरशिप सेशन स्टार्ट होगा, which is a part of mentorship or Brahmastra, you will be seeing how we start from risk money management, then we create stock selection algo, then अगर आप इन्वेस्टर हो, आपको मल्टी बैगर पोर्टफोलियो स्टॉक सिलेक्ट करना है, कैसे करना है, कौन सा सेक्टर आउट परफॉर्म करेगा, विच सेक्टर यू हैव टू कीप फोकसिंग ऑन, व्हाट आई एम ट्रेडिंग, हाउ आई एम डूइंग इट, व्हाट डिड आई डू राइट, व्हाट डिड आई डू रॉन्ग, होता है यार, गलती सबसे होती है. सो ये सारी चीजें डिस्कस होगी. व्हाट यू आर ट्रेडिंग, यू विल शेयर अक्रॉस. व्हाट वेंट राइट, share your P&L. What went wrong, share your losses. I will be more than happy to guide you how to tweak it, how to make you profitable. That's the aim. But you have to take that step forward and you have to become a disciplined trader. So I am asking, are you all ready to become one of the finest traders, one of the most disciplined way in which it works? Are you ready to receive this Brahmastra for your own self? Is what I am asking. If you are ready to receive, you just have to take that step forward. You need to register it now. And ये जो ब्रह्मास्त्र program है, उसकी link my colleague will share across with every one of you. And you can register under the early bird offer. The pricing for this is 1,20,000 plus taxes. And the original pricing is 3,78,000. It's under the offer. We are giving it in this pricing as of now. And you will be a part of a elite trading community, which you can change the way you ever see the market. You know, मतलब मार्केट देखने का नजरिया ही बदल जाएगा और ट्रेडिंग बिकम फियरलेस. मतलब ट्रेड करने से डर नहीं लगेगा. बहुत सारे मेंटीज है जो कहते हैं आई एम नाउ अ फियरलेस ट्रेडर. फियरलेस ट्रेडर मतलब अभी होता है ना यार, ले नहीं ले, कंफ्यूजन होता है माइंड में, क्योंकि प्रोसेस नहीं है. समवन इज नॉट देयर टू हैंडल, someone is not there to guide. Now that's the challenge. But if you have someone who can handhold you, can guide you what is working in the market, what does not work, life will be very different. I'm telling you, it will change the way you ever see the market. Also, one more thing, many of you have been wanting to register. So a token amount you can pay of 10,000 and register for this, block your seat, and then within 24 hours you can pay the rest of the amount. The link is going to be shared by my colleague and you can do that. So let me take you on the page on how to go about registering this thing. There are many chats that are coming up and I can clearly see there are mentees also who are here right now with me and said, sir, because of you, I am completely different, changed person. I'm glad that I'm able to touch your lives and make you a full-time trader. So that's it's fantastic. So कैसे करना है दोस्तों? If once you go on the link here, I'm just going to share across very quickly the link also again. You will be able to come on the link and you will be able to register yourself for this program. यहाँ पर है link दोस्तों. You have to take that step forward. Once you take that step forward, as I said, you will be a part of this wonderful learning experience with lifetime association with me. ठीक है? ट्रेडरशिप मेंटरशिप जो प्रोग्राम है ब्रह्मास्त्र का, वो भले ही 3 महीने का है, लेकिन लर्निंग डजंट स्टॉप इन 3 months. Post 3 months, as I said, there will be an exclusive session which you will be a part of and you will be learning across. And ये मैंने शेयर किया आपके सामने. I'm just going to reshare the link again. Okay, there are many questions that are coming up. Just give me a second. I'm also going to take a very quick poll just to understand, are you a part of this lifelong journey of Brahmastra with me? Are you a part of it or not? I'm taking a poll. Please participate in the poll. If you want to be a part of this program, you just have to take that step forward and it will change the way you ever see the market. I'm telling you, it's going to be a phenomenal journey. और देखिए दोस्तों, सीखने के लिए you need to invest in yourself. अगर मैंने CMT नहीं किया होता, आज मैं यहाँ आपके सामने नहीं होता. And because I invested in myself, I invested into learning. This knowledge is going to be with me for lifetime, which I'm sharing across with you all. तो आपके पास भी ये जो knowledge है वो lifetime के लिए रहेगी. You don't really have to worry for कि यार क्या करना है. I tell my mentees very clearly, if you need any kind of help, if you need any kind of assistance, I am always here to help you out. You know, सोचिए अगर आपके साथ में कोई है तो फिर डर नहीं लगता, वो फियर नहीं लगता, क्योंकि I know how it works in the market. And options are beautiful instrument. अगर आपको options के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता तो आपको पता करना चाहिए. It is not complicated. If you know how it works, if you know the pulse of it, you can trade in any kind of market environment. You know, it is not necessary Nifty touched lifetime highs, went down sharply, went up again to lifetime highs. यार करे तो क्या करे? नहीं, these are opportunities where you can trade options, buy option, buying options, selling. These are opportunities where you can time the market, looking at time cycles. These are areas which shows the method still works because it works, and these times it shows it works. So ये proof है दोस्तों. और इससे ज्यादा क्या, जैसे कि जो levels दिए थे post exit poll, that level worked. After that mention किया था Nifty will touch lifetime high, and people, someone even tweeted across on the comment, you expecting Nifty to touch lifetime high? जब वो गिर के इलेक्शन वाले डे पे 22,000 के आसपास ट्रेड हो रहा था, that time I mentioned it is going to touch lifetime high again, and it happened because I followed a pattern. In that pattern, it told me that yeah, wave theory के हिसाब से there should be a lifetime high before we move down again, and it touched that. It happened that way. So point is, it is possible to trade the markets, and it is possible to even forecast the market if you have the right set of tools and right set of tactics. And that's what we do in this mentorship program. It is an unbelievable way of transformation. And I'm many keh raha dosto, mentees say that it has transformed my life. It has changed. So these are their words, not mine, and it works for them. And you can clearly see how the levels work like magic most of the time, not all the times, most of the time that I keep tweeting, and you can be a part of it. I'm open for questions, guys. If you have any questions, any query, any doubt, I'll be more than happy to help you out. You can simply go on this page, register yourself, and you can be a part of it. Also, there are many of you who want to make registration by EMI. There is an EMI link. My colleague will share across that EMI link with you all. And if you're watching this on YouTube, it will be there in the description or the comment section later on also. So you can register using the EMI link and pay in installment as low as 7,000 or 8,000. You can select your card, and from there you can opt for it. So if you have any kind of help or any kind of challenges, you can always contact us on 999204 22202. The number is also there in the comment box. I'm again repeating, 99204 22202. You can contact on that number for any help. You can WhatsApp, call, or you'll be assisted on that number. Okay, guys, so I'm open for questions. There is another question here, sir. I'm a beginner. ये बहुत बार आता है मुझे question कि I'm a beginner. How to go about it? See, even if you are a beginner, I'm going to give you master of technical analysis 12 hours of video, जिसमें patterns, RSI, ये सारी चीजों के बारे में है. I'm going to give it across to you. Plus, you will be learning about options right now because वो video में आज आपको दे रहा हूँ. Plus, you'll be learning about Elliott wave slowly and steadily. So before the mentorship happens, these things will be with you. Okay. Next is, can we predict Nifty? Yes, you can predict Nifty, Bank Nifty. You can predict any stock. Fin Nifty, जो भी आप predict करना चाहते हो वो कर सकते हो. It is possible to predict or forecast narration. Okay, you will be able to do that. Next month we will have Kal Chakra, which you will attend live, where we will discuss about time cycle in very much in depth and detailed fashion. You will be a part of this Kal Chakra program. So all of these things will be a part of it. Okay. And sugar sector is the next one. No, I don't think so. Wherever there is government intervention, to that extent, I avoid those sectors. वो sector मैं avoid करता हूँ. Book हिंदी में नहीं है तनुज, it's in English. ETF for Nifty mid cap. Yes, there is an ETF. You can search. You will be able to find that. Capital required to trade in the market, which will give minimum 1 lakh per month profit. देखिए एक चीज मैं बहुत क्लियरली कहना चाहता हूं दोस्तों, मार्केट में पैसा बनता है, लेकिन अगर आप फिक्स्ड इनकम की बात कर रहे हो, वो कोई भी प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकता कि आप कम से कम 1 लाख बना पाओगे कि नहीं. 1 लाख बन सकता है कि 5 लाख बन सकता है, लेकिन रिस्क भी है. सो आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू टेल यू. You need to have a capital, then I can tell you how much you will be able to make if you are taking that much of a risk. So it has to go along with understanding of risk. That's what I said. लोग कहते हैं यार मुझे रिस्क नहीं लेना है. यार रिस्क है तो इश्क है. अगर आप रिस्क ही नहीं लोगे तो पैसा बनेगा कैसे? So you have to take that risk. If you are okay to take that risk, then you will be able to make money in the market. So, and it's an average basis. ऐसा नहीं हर monthly income चाहिए तो या fixed deposit. But if you know कि यार end of the year positive बनना है, then markets है. Because if you look at the CAGR of investing into market, it has always outbid other asset classes on most of the occasions. So ये सारी चीजें हैं. Okay, there is another question. Just a second, I'll pick up those questions here. Very, very clearly. Okay, Mahindra is saying, sir, I have registered using the token link. How do I go about it? Okay, Mahindra, do not worry about it. आपने token payment कर दिया 10K का. Your seat is blocked, and my team will get in touch with you and will help you with the process, registration, and all of those things. So don't worry about it, and you will get the access soon. So all of those things will be taken care of. Okay, awesome, guys. Sir, I know Elliott will want to learn about NeoWave. So you can be a part of Brahmastra session. Rishabh, if you want to learn about NeoWave, we will be practicing, we'll be learning NeoWave slowly and steadily. We will look at, as I said, day 1 will be risk money management. Day 2, stock selection algos, जिससे आप वो stock selection algo use करके trade कर सके. Then we look at some strategies that I use. Then we look at options mantra. Post that, वो 2 दिन का live session होगा. Post that, you will be a part of, again, live trading session होगा हमारा. उसके बाद में सूत्र of waves होगा. We'll practice live then how to go about this wave pattern which is going on. And then we'll be looking at Ichimoku cloud, different indicators which I use along with wave theory and time cycle, how to time the market. You know, market को time किया जा सकता है. If you know lunar cycle works like magic. If you know how to use it. If you know different time cycles or first time cycles, it works. So वो सब हम club करेंगे साथ में. Okay, fantastic. Which sectors you are bullish on from here on? Market की बात करेंगे बाद में. We'll do that on Friday at 4. उसमें detail में चर्चा करेंगे उसके बारे में. And fantastic. Can we pledge ETF and use margin? Yes, you can do that. For OTM Strikes Gotham, yes, of course you can do that. So ये सारी चीजें detail में discuss करेंगे बहुत ही amazing way से. And it's going to be a wonderful journey, दोस्तों. Just take that step forward towards this way in which it works, and you can be a part of this elite trading community जिसे मैं कहता हूँ time traders, #time traders, who are timing the market, and it is simply wonderful. So it's fantastic and lovely talking to you all. Thanks for joining in and be a part of this journey. The link I'm again going to share across with every one of you over here, and you can simply register on this link. And once you do that, you will be learning the science of trading the market. So market का view short term में possible है कि हमें dip मिले, और dip आएगा तो ही अच्छा है क्योंकि वहां पर better accumulation बनेगा, better volumes होगा, और उसके बाद फिर rally जब आएगी तो अच्छी खासी मिलेगी. तो इसलिए I expect a dip, and once we have a dip, it's going to be a wonderful way of then riding that entirely on the upside. So that's it from my side, guys. Thank you very much for joining in. And it was wonderful speaking to you all. Have a wonderful time. Become a wonderful trader. Be a part of this Brahmastra program, which will transform you as the trader, which will change the way you see the markets. And you will love what you are doing, because this is investment in knowledge for lifetime. And you will know how to generate that passive source of income or parallel source of income trading in stock market. Thank you very much. Ashish Kyal, signing.